Hey everyone, welcome to new updates of Odoo 18.2, which is dark mode. We can say that this is one of the expected feature of Odoo 19, and you can set the dark mode in point of sale. As you just move on to the point of sale, here you can see you can open the register. So as you just move on to the point of sale, this will be having the light mode. And if you want to just switch into the dark mode, you can just go to the hamburger icon and switch to dark mode. And here you can see the result. And if you want to switch back to the light mode, you can also easily do that. So this makes the users to follow the screen if somebody would like to go just with the dark mode due to some eye problems at all. So this is one of the efficient features that we can find under the point of sale. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching the video.